Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mufidah and I'd like it if you click down below to subscribe to my channel. Ramadan Kareem to all my Muslim subscribers. I hope you are taking advantage of this Ramadan, and let's just get right into it. Today I'm gonna give you guys my updated foundation routine. As you can see, my skin has flipped on me. It's taking a toll on me actually. That's why I wasn't filming much, and anything I filmed I wasn't really confident to put it out there because my skin was actually worse than this. You guys are gonna see into detail how my skin was and how it's transformed into this state when I upload my skincare routine. So well, I've never really been a girl who like does full coverage, trying to cover up stuff on her face, but recently that's what I've had to resort to because my skin wasn't looking fly and I wasn't so confident, so I had to cover up everything, and it's been working for me. And my skin is so oily too, so I'm gonna show you guys the products I use and the techniques I use to achieve a full coverage look. So I don't want to talk too much, so let's just get right into it. I'm gonna do a voiceover because I don't want the video to be super long. So let's just get right into it. So here's the real tea on how I get my face to look so flawless. I just like to moisturize with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. This gives me as much moisture as I need, and also I like to go in with a primer. This is the Fenty Pro Filter Primer. I love this product, and I buff it in with a brush, and then I also go in with a setting powder to make my face extra matte. And also, yeah, to give me some more coverage because I need as much coverage as I can get. I also go straight into my foundation. Today I'm using the ColourPop stick foundation. This foundation is quite full coverage. I love the way it looks on my skin. It's not so matte. But yeah, I also buff it in with a Real Techniques brush. This brush is able to enter the crevices on my face, and I love the way my skin looks a little like velvety afterwards. And I also go in with a sponge to take off the excess product, and I just go straight into highlighting and contouring. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter concealers. These concealers are like so creamy and so full coverage. I love the way it looks on my skin as well. Okay, so when it comes to putting products on your skin, especially if you're trying to get like a fuller coverage, you'd want to push the product into your skin and not swipe, so you wouldn't end up getting streaks on your face. Also, if you want to get like a fuller coverage, try using brushes to like push the product. And if you have just a little more excess products on your skin, to avoid all the cakey feeling on your face, you should go in with a beauty blender to take off the excess product. That's what I do to be able to get like a flawless base. Now, after blending everything out, I like to go in with a beauty blender and also with the brush I use to blend in my foundation to kind of give me like a flawless base. Like, I do not like any harsh lines on my face. And then I go straight into setting wherever I put the lighter concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This powder is like my holy grail. I put it all over. I push the powder into my skin before I go in to bake. So I do the reverse contouring, and also I bake the sides of my nose and the sides of my eyes to kind of prevent the eyeshadow from going beyond where it's supposed to be. Also, I go in with the Covergirl Bronzer to kind of set my contour as well. So I'm just gonna set my nose contour with the same bronzer and then move straight into eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do anything extra today. I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer. I'm gonna blend it in with my Evita Joseph brush. I typically like to go in with like the tiniest wing when I'm doing like everyday makeup to kind of prevent the lash band from showing. That's if I'm gonna be wearing like eyelashes. And yeah, what I'm gonna do next is to go into my waterline with some white eyeliner from Revlon, and I'm just gonna put some of the bronzer onto my lower lash line to make it look I don't know, smoky, I guess. And I'm just gonna dust the rest of the baking powder off my face. Did I say baking powder? Wow. Setting powder off my face from baking. And I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with the LA Pro face powder. And I'm going in with some blush from LA Colors. This blush is really pretty and it's really subtle. And I'm going in with some mascara into my lower lash line, and I'm setting with basic rose water. This is rose water I get from the grocery store. It sets my makeup so well, and I'm pushing it into my skin. Today I'm not gonna do nude lips because I always do nude lips. I'm going in with Arriba from ColourPop. I love this lipstick. It's super red. I love how it looks. It's kind of like dark red, and it looks amazing on me. And yeah, I wish you guys could go out and get it and use it. It's amazing. So I'm gonna highlight with the Maybelline metallic chrome highlighter. Is that the name? I'll put the name down in the description box. I'm gonna highlight usually the places where I highlight, and I'm gonna set my face one more time. I'm also gonna set my brow hairs with the TM Essentials Brow Tamer. This makes my brows stay in place. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna set my face one more time with the Skindanavia setting spray. I love this stuff. It also keeps my makeup in check. And this is what my face looks like. So I'm gonna see you guys in the outro. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I tried to be as detailed as possible, and this has been my new foundation routine. Sometimes I switch the foundations. I'm really liking the coverage of the ColourPop No Filter Stick Foundation, and if it's way too oily for you, you can just move to like a liquid foundation. Usually I use the Too Faced Born This Way or the L'Oreal True Match. Yeah, those foundations are also good. Please comment down below if you want any more information, and I'll soon film a skincare routine. Please stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for 1,500 followers, I mean subscribers, excuse me. And I'll link my social medias down below. Sometimes I post stuff on Instagram that I do not post here on YouTube. I'm actually mostly active on Instagram, so kindly follow me there as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you, and Ramadan Kareem.